Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to fix the Crew not loading stream. If the Crew is not loading stream, try these steps to fix it. Step 1. Check if the Crew server and stream source are down or not. Check Ubisoft server status. Go to the Ubisoft support status, then look for any outage for the Crew. Check stream source. The Crew uses online streaming source. If they are down, part of the world would not load. Then wait and retry. If these an outage, wait and try again later. Follow Ubisoft support or Twitter for update. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable and fast connection. Use a Ethernet connection if possible. Then restart your router and run a speed. Look for packet loss or high pin. Step 3. Clear packet. PC Ubisoft connection. Step 1. Close the Crew and Ubisoft connection. Press Window R and type this command and press Enter. Delete all files and folder in the trash folder. Then restart your PC and relaunch the Crew. From PlayStation, close the Crew, then go to the settings, select Storage and click Console and Storage. Choose Trash Clear Data, then select the Crew and press Delete and Confirm. Restart your console and launch the game. For Xbox, close the Crew, go to the setting, then System, select Storage, then select Clear Local Saves RAMs, then select the Crew and confirm. Restart your console and launch the game. Step 4. Player and RAM setting. Check in the RAM network setting, lower streaming quality, disable VPN and proxy, allow Crew through firewall, whitelist the Crew and Ubisoft Net in your anti-fare and farewell and antivirus. And move to the next point, player and fixes. Update the Crew, update graphics driver, run as a administrator in PC, then reinstall the Crew. Step 6. Advanced fix. Flush DNS, change DNS, then check host files. Step 7. Common problems and solutions are here are the problems and their possible pros and solution. If you find this video was helpful, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.